Alright guys, we're gonna do a bag opening for you right now. Fresh shirt just came in. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at this. It is the 8-bit Godzilla heart. Look at that. Look at that printing. It's nice and vibrant. Alright, so this is from my Glitchy Visions. You can see this in the shop. Check that out. It came out amazing. Isn't that cool? What else is there? Alright, so you see this right here? There's the care instructions. There's the company logo. Let's see. There's the QR code. And there's my company logo right there, Glitchy Visions. There you go. That came out amazing.